So since you have a background with Swiss Beauty and Bella Vita, how do you differentiate those brands from your brand?
I think that every brand has its own journey. Every brand has its own audience. Every brand has its own problem statements. So I think if I would,
And you started just last year, I think.
that's right.
We haven't even had a full 1 year.
Yes, we're going to just complete a year by next month.
So how has it been
It's
sales wise? And in this journey, what's been the most challenging part?
Balancing my personal life and my professional life. I think that's one of the most challenging things.
When we talk about Indian audience, the target that you have, we've got people from various pockets. किसी का budget हो सकता है 100 rupees, किसी का 1000 rupees for makeup. How do you cater to this different range?
So जो मेरा audience केरला में है, हैदराबाद में है, that's very different to Punjab.
True.
Right? Their shades are different, their needs are different.
Of course.
Right? So
Hello, Adab, Namaste. Welcome to India's Business Legends. Just now, I was reading up a report by Statista, which is a market research agency, and it stated that in 2020-25, the revenue of the cosmetics market in India alone is estimated to reach about US $6.90 billion. It is a staggering amount, and we wonder why there's so much happening in the cosmetics industry. Of course, everybody loves makeup. So recently I came across a profile of Sahil Nair, who's been associated with Swiss Beauty, Bella Vita, Momsco and a lot more. And just last year he started a new company by the name Mela Beauty. I don't know. Let's go ask him. Namaste, welcome to India's Business Legends. Makeup has predominantly been a place where we associate it with women. But today we are going to meet Sahil Nair, the man behind various interesting brands like Swiss Beauty, Bella Vita, and now he's recently started Mila Beauty. What do we call it?
let's just stick to beauty.
Because
We are Indians, we like to call beauty.
है ना, but let's keep it
A lot of people try and
uncomplicated.
do beauty and all of that.
Beauty and
let's
very
just-
French
let's-
thing.
No, let's just stick to beauty.
Okay, perfect. So when you started Mila Beauty, what was the thought behind it?
Honestly, there was only one thought, and the thought was, why can't we champion I beauty? इतना K beauty, Korean, J beauty, A beauty, बहुत beauties होगी, and I think I beauty is मतलब quintessential अगर आप बोलो तो जो एक Indian beauty होती है, that's for me is like the ultimate beauty. So I feel there should be a brand who's out there saying, you know, I beauty is the next way to go.
And actually, we have Indians who are trying to copy the Korean look, wherein it doesn't even go with the skin texture.
It's
and
not
all
just
that.
skin texture,
Why?
it doesn't go with our routines, it doesn't go with our weather. I mean, there's such a long regime. अरे हमें सुबह जिम जाना है, हमें अपना खुद गैस ऑन करनी है, हमें 4 और काम करने होते हैं,
हमें राजमा चावल बनाने हैं,
सब कुछ ही करना है ना. सो उसके बीच में आप सीरम लगा के 7 स्टेप्स के बाद नहीं कर सकते. सो इन द बेस्ट ऑफ हाउसहोल्ड्स आल्सो द ह्यूमिडिटी, आई मीन इन दिस वेदर ऑफ 48 डिग्रीज आप कहीं भी चले जाओ, बॉम्बे, बैंगलोर, दिल्ली, यू कांट डू इट. आई मीन आई थिंक इट्स गुड टू हैव ग्लास स्किन, बट आई फील उसका एक जो प्रोसेस है वो I'm not sure if Korean beauty is made for Indian beauty.
That's interesting. You've had a long career wherein you worked with Swiss Beauty also,
Bella Vita,
Bella
Kama
Vita also.
Ayurveda, the Mom's
And
Company, Revlon.
so take us through your journey. Let's
So the journey
know that.
has been very very enriching, very rewarding, very interesting. I think about almost a decade now in beauty, and like I said, I've been in strategic leadership roles across brands. Starting from Kama Ayurveda all the way down to Swiss Beauty. It's either been a co-founder role or a CEO, vice president. So yeah, I mean, held important roles to kind of make an impact, make a difference, and I think which today was important because at the end of that journey was the start of a new chapter, एक नया journey, एक नई शुरुआत, and which was Mila Beauty. So I think it's great to learn so much, know so much, have so much experience of not just the brands but of the multiple mistakes you can make along the journey, right? And जो उसकी एक learning होती है, that is what I think is something which I feel is one of the most rewarding things for me are my mistakes, and today the learnings of those mistakes which I can use for my journey.
That's very smart. औरों की गलतियों से सीखो, अपनी गलतियों से सीखो, and then use all the knowledge into starting your own brand.
Yeah, I mean, it's not just, I think more than starting your own brand, I think it's important to understand कि आपका purpose क्या है. Brands, honestly, I mean, I'm not taking this away from anyone else, but हर महीने एक नया brand आता है.
True.
Right? And the concept of starting a brand is not because सब कर रहे हैं आप कर लो, या और कुछ नहीं आता तो यही कर लो. आपको एक पर्पस होना चाहिए, एक प्रॉब्लम सोल्यूशन होना चाहिए, आप एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने जा रहे हो. सो आई थिंक फॉर मी इट्स मोर अबाउट दैट मिला ब्यूटी इज हियर टू एक्चुअली डू समथिंग. इट्स हियर फॉर अ पर्पस. इट इज हियर टू सॉल्व टू फॉर द लार्जर इंडियन कम्युनिटी जो हमारी इंडिया 2 है. हाउ कैन दे गेट ब्यूटी एक्सेसिबल, जिनको के ब्यूटी का एक्सेस नहीं, बिग स्टोर्स का एक्सेस नहीं. टुडे ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट सिटीज इन इंडिया डोंट हैव एक्सेस टू द बिगेस्ट मॉल्स. दे डोंट हैव अ सेफोरा, they don't have a Nykaa Lux, they don't have a Nykaa on Trend also. Shoppers Stop भी शायद नहीं होगा उनके पास. So do they not deserve to look beautiful? Do they not deserve to get the beauty products or have good skin? एक purpose होना बहुत जरूरी. So I think for me this journey is about that.
So since you have a background with Swiss Beauty and Bella Vita, how do you differentiate those brands from your brand?
I think that every brand has its own journey. Every brand has its own audience. Every brand has its own problem statements. So I think if I would say, if it's Kama is a brand which is completely embedded in authentic beauty, which is Ayurveda and natural. The Mom's Company was pretty much about the mom and baby, very different target audience. Bella Vita has been a brand which is championed and is one of the biggest names in perfumes today. If I talk about Swiss Beauty, again, it's a brand that has made waves with its trends and the kind of reach that the brand has. So हर brand की एक अपनी journey है. Mila Beauty की अगर मैं बात करूँ, we are trying to do something very different, and not just do something different, we are trying to do it better than the others. कभी कभी आपको हमेशा एक नई चीज करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. You want to do things, but you want to do it better. So the idea of Mila Beauty is two. One is build in India, buy from your people, make for your people. So keep it all within the country, right? I'm very India proud, right? So, and I come from a defense background, right? So for me, this is more than just a brand. This is a reflection. This is an identity of consumers today who want to buy from Indian brands, right? आज के टाइम में मैं अगर Zudio की बात करूं versus a Zara, I mean today people are flocking to Zudio, right? अगर मैं Neiman shoes की बात करूं, people are flocking to that as much. So I mean India का एक बहुत strong root है, and I feel we need to now not look at brands which are only based out of China or Taiwan or a US or a Korea, but actually be something which is from India. अपने लोगों से खरीदो, right?
That's a beautiful thought.
So that's the idea behind Mila Beauty. As a brand proposition. अगर मैं अपने products की बात करूँ, the idea is यार आपने skin पे इतना खर्चा किया है, skin पे इतनी कहानियाँ चली हैं आजकल, right? So many brands and they've done a brilliant job of what they have done. Why are you not using makeup which is equally clean, equally good,
right?
Formulations that are good for your skin. So the idea is why can't makeup meet skincare? So Mela Beauty is not, it's not just a brand which is making a lipstick and a kajal and a foundation. We are trying to give you, it is makeup for skincare lovers. It is a skin first makeup. First, it should be good for your skin, right? It should enhance the texture of your skin. We use niacinamide, peptides, collagen, you know, so the formulations are built in a way कि हम दोनों को marry कर रहे हैं. It's a hybrid between makeup and skincare.
Okay. When we talk about Indian audience, the target that you have, we've got people from various pockets. किसी का budget हो सकता है 100 rupees, किसी का 1000 rupees for makeup. How do you cater to this different range?
So again, this brings in the unique proposition of Mela Beauty is that, like I said, we are not, we are very self-dependent. We are not reliant on everyone else.
Right.
So we have our own manufacturing facilities. We have our own R&D. We have our own chemists. So we are a completely vertically integrated business, right? So उससे क्या होता है, आप tailor made solutions दे सकते हो अपने consumer को. So जो मेरा audience केरला में है, हैदराबाद में है, that's very different to Punjab.
True.
Right? Their shades are different, their needs are different.
Of course.
Right? So it's not just about pricing. So pricing, we start from absolutely mass, go all the way up to mass teach. And that's, I'm saying, why look at this as a brand strategy? आप as a consumer need इसको समझो. हम एक्सेल शीट्स में इतना खो जाते हैं कभी कि हम सोचते हैं ब्रांड की स्ट्रैटेजी क्या है. ब्रांड की स्ट्रैटेजी कर लेना, पहले कंज्यूमर की नीड क्या है आप उसको एड्रेस करो. अगर कंज्यूमर की नीड है कि साउथ में मुझे ये शेड्स चाहिए और मुझे ये 200 रुपये में चाहिए बिकॉज मेरा ऑडियंस को ये समझता है, आप उसको वो दोगे. राइट? नॉर्थ हैज़ ए वेरी डिफरेंट ऑडियंस, नॉर्थ ईस्ट हैज़ ए वेरी डिफरेंट ऑडियंस.
True.
सो वी आर गिविंग टेलर मेड सोल्यूशंस पैन इंडिया. जो मेरा नायका पे बेस्ट सेलर है वो नेसेसरली हैदराबाद का बेस्ट सेलर नहीं है, वो नेसेसरली अमेजोन का बेस्ट सेलर भी नहीं है. बिकॉज वी आर बिल्डिंग एज पर द कंज्यूमर्स, एज पर द टारगेट ऑडियंसेस which are for those channels.
So Sahil, from what you've told me and the business model that I understand, it's very, very different from what is the buzzword nowadays. Startups क्या करते हैं? They would put their manufacturing on a third party.
Correct.
They would put the packaging on a third party.
Correct.
And then they would do the marketing and the brand is made. Yours is very, very different. What was the reason behind it?
Either they want to build a business अपने आप को खुश करने के लिए या आपके इन्वेस्टर्स को खुश करने के लिए. मतलब ब्रांड सुंदर होना चाहिए, दोस्तों के बीच में दिखा सके, बात कर सके. एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड दिस, यू नो, इवन विद माय करंट इन्वेस्टर्स आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड दिस दैट, यू नो, आई डोंट हैव अ ग्लैमरस, you know, this is not going to be a glossy, glamorous activity, right? This is a true brand. This is a true consumer need, and this is a true business, right? So the idea is very, very focused, you know, on being true to that.
Very interesting. So, how did investors become interested? Because investors को भी अपना profit चाहिए होता है.
नहीं, but आज के टाइम पे you know, there have been so many brands that have come. There are so many brands who have gone. There are so many brands who have not stood the test of time, and they have had its own set of challenges. That doesn't mean we don't have our challenges. We have our own struggles, our own challenges.
True.
But I think investors and smart investors see the market size, and उसके बाद they see the people behind the brand, and they see कि यार is there consumer truth? Is there a genuine need for a brand like this? इतने मेकअप ब्रांड्स हैं, इतने ब्यूटी ब्रांड्स हैं, एक और की क्यों जरूरत है? बिकॉज इस ब्रांड का पर्पस बहुत स्ट्रांग है. ये ब्रांड पैन इंडिया जाना चाहता है. ये ब्रांड एक क्यूट वेबसाइट पे नहीं रहना चाहता या सिर्फ एक ई कॉमर्स चैनल पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं होना चाहता. दिस ब्रांड एक्चुअली वांट्स टू गो टू वेयर द कंज्यूमर इज. सो दे सी दैट, they value that, and they see कि आज के टाइम पे who are the contenders who could in the next 5 years become one of the largest, you know, beauty players of India, championing India, because उनको भी पता है गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज हो गई आपके, you know, एक Gen Z's very India proud, right? So they are seeing that shift, and they are happy to see that the brand is actually investing time, energy in the product, and not just in branding and marketing it. प्रोडक्ट पे बहुत फोकस जा रहा है, प्रोडक्ट पे बहुत काम जा रहा है. सो वी आर अ वेरी प्रोडक्ट फर्स्ट कंपनी एंड अ वेरी प्रोडक्ट फर्स्ट ब्रांड.
Talking about investment, how much have investors invested in your brand?
So we've had our pre-series A round. We did about $2.2 million is what we got in investment last.
And you started just last year, I think.
That's right.
We haven't even had a full 1 year.
Yes, we're going to just complete a year by next month.
So how has it been,
It's
sales
been-
wise,
So
turnover wise?
if I give you revenue turnovers, we're at about 60 crores, and the idea is to go 2x from here. So
Awesome.
honestly, I'm less focused on what happened. I think I'm more focused on saying what else can happen, what
Right.
more can we do.
And your vision to expand the brand is also very different. Majorly, a lot of people are doing D2C brands. They come up with a website. You also said, I don't want to just sell across a cute website. You've got 8,000 stores wherein Mila Beauty is available. So what was the vision behind that?
Honestly, there's only इसको ना simple एक line में customer आपके पास नहीं आएगा, आपको customer के पास जाना है. So the idea and intent सिर्फ इतना था that let's go where the customer is. The customer is not only on your website. The customer is not only on a Nykaa. The customer is even in stores. They're even in shops. They're even in local markets. Because that is how the larger India shops today.
That's
right?
true.
So why can't the brand be omni-channel? Why can't I say मुझे एक कॉस्मेटिक शॉप पे भी रहना है और मुझे एक नायका पे भी रहना है और मुझे वेबसाइट से भी रहना है, बिकॉज इट डिपेंड्स. वो कंज्यूमर अलग है, जो इंस्टाग्राम से खरीदता है वो एक अलग कंज्यूमर है, जो जाके वेबसाइट से खरीदना चाहता है वो एक बहुत अलग कंज्यूमर सेट है. उसको एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, उसको ट्रायल्स करने हैं, सैम्पल्स करने हैं. जो रिटेल से खरीदता है उसको अपने फेवरेट दुकानदार से पूछना है क्या चल रहा है आजकल, कौन सा शेड है, उसको टच और फील चाहिए, वो अलग कंज्यूमर है. व्हाई शुड आई लीव एनी कंज्यूमर आउट? व्हाई कांट आई बी देयर फॉर ऑल द कंज्यूमर्स?
Right.
So yes, that's why.
With so much understanding of makeup, I want to know what was your first experience of makeup?
My first experience of makeup is quite funny. My first experience of makeup is when I was 4 years old. I was sleeping and I'm a man who has been brought up around sisters. मेरे राखी के टाइम मेरे हाथ यहाँ तक ऐसे होता है. So I've been told I have very beautiful eyelashes because they're very long, and I have obviously very big lips. So my sisters used to love, putting crayon. कभी यहाँ पे rouge है, कभी मेरे mascara होता था. So my first sensorial touch and feel of makeup was as a child, because I used to always, see it on myself. I used to see my sisters doing it. And I've been very, very close to my mother. I have a tattoo also which says Ma. And, she's a very, very beautiful lady. Very, very beautiful lady. I lost her many years ago. So whenever, as a child also, I kind of always remember looking at her, doing her makeup. So it's been a very emotional connect for me with makeup, more than just saying, chalo, lipstick bechte hain. So that's my first experience actually. Baki experience, like I've already shared with you.
I think elder sisters love doing that to the kid brother.
Kid brothers. She's 8 years older to me, so yeah, I'm pretty much
मजे करे होंगे, I'm sure.
I'm pretty much a kid brother. I have another tattoo, my guide, my anchor, my sister. So I have pretty much experienced my first makeup encounters with her. आज वो खुद makeup नहीं करती. वो अलग point है, लेकिन then it used to always be me. So yeah.
Okay. And फिर जब बड़े हुए, education हुई, when did you decide to get into the beauty industry?
I was doing fashion for the longest time. I was behind some very interesting luxury brands, Versace, Roberto Cavalli, Missoni, Emilio Pucci, Ermenegildo Zegna, and also I was doing fashion. So but I've always been very close to beauty. फिर वो fashion के evolution के बाद, I realized that one of the biggest industries is beauty, and it's a passion. And जो आप hobby and जो आप passion से drive कर सकते हो ना, वो आप education से नहीं drive कर सकते. I feel because it's something which I can do while sleeping.
True.
So yeah, I think 10 years ago that journey started with Kama, and it's continuing with Mila.
Okay, when we talk about entrepreneurship, what's the most challenging part of it?
To say no.
No to?
Anything and everything, which is I think the biggest mistakes also a lot of entrepreneurs do is they might see some great opportunities, right? The team comes up with some great plans. They sometimes have very great ideas. Every great idea doesn't need to get executed, right? Every good deal doesn't need to be taken. Every great plan does not have to be put into action. So I think as an entrepreneur, it's very tough sometimes to be very pragmatic, to be very real. कि यार आज का मेरा challenge क्या है, मैं अगले 3 महीने का क्या है एंड अगले 3 साल का क्या है. उन तीनों चीज़ों को जगल करके अगर उस दिन पे, उस टाइम पे, इवन इफ समथिंग माइट हैव अ रिजल्ट, but may not be appropriate for you, the brand, the business, the people, right? And for you to say no. I think that is one of the hardest thing, is to come up and say no. So at least for me, that's a very, very hard thing.
And so, how do you decide and say, okay? Of course, you've told me all the factors. Any incident that you can relate when you
Oh.
had to say no?
Lots of incidents. ऐसे बड़ा मुश्किल है कौन सा incident pen down करना, but yeah, I mean there was a plan to do this very large एक activity plan थी, उसमें activity भी था, एक sale भी था, सब perfect दिख रहा था, but it was not the right time. The timing was not right. The plan was great. 1 crore की sale आती, सब कुछ सही होता, right? But the timing was not right. So for me to break multiple hearts, because there was a lot of work which
I'm
went
sure.
into that, and to actually acknowledge it was a great plan, but it was the wrong timing. So for me to first gather myself to recognize that, पहले उसको समझो, identify करो, recognize करो, और फिर उसको बताओ, वो मेरे लिए बहुत tough था. वो it was just last month itself, but yeah, it was there.
So, of course, dil bhi tode hain in this journey, but how do you take your team forward so that everybody is motivated and
Yeah, I don't take the team forward.
Okay.
Team takes me forward.
Yeah, awesome.
This is I don't believe in leading from the front. I have a very different approach. I think वो एक manager का काम होता है.
Okay.
आप वो आगे चलता है और उसके पीछे 5 लोग चलते हैं.
Right.
I know I have a lioness made here. वो उसका ना एक अलग concept होता है. Lion आगे चलता है और उसके पीछे उसकी वो चलती है.
Right.
अगर आप lioness को कभी notice करोगे ना, उसके cubs आगे चलती है, वो पीछे चलती है. So I'm one of those people. I like my team to go from the front.
That's such a
I want them
wonderful
to lead. I want them to feel empowered. I want them to take me forward. I am पीछे like your backbone.
Right.
कुछ होगा
मैं
पीछे
संभाल
से मैं संभाल लूँगा. What front is you, because I can't lead. I'm not here to manage people. You guys are smart individuals, very strong, great set of brains. So if you trust your team with your brand, with your business, then let them go ना. फिर आपको जरूरत नहीं है आगे. आप पीछे रह के उनका support system बनो. Watch out for them. कोई attack ना आए पीछे से.
Fantastic.
Right? Front से तो वो manage कर लेंगे. पीछे से I'm standing for you.
That's wonderful. And in this journey, what's been the most challenging part?
Balancing my personal life and my professional life. I think that's one of the most challenging things. I have twins, and
Oh.
they are only of 3.5 years. So most of their growing up, I either see in pictures or in videos or in WhatsApp groups. So it's hard when they are late nights and I have to say goodnight to them on a video call. So when I'm traveling, different time zones. So I feel that's a hard call, but I'm sure it'll all pay off.
I think this is the great thing about today's generation. They want to be present everywhere. When they're working 100%, and when it comes to the family, they also want to be present 100%.
Yes. But we will need to take pics at times.
We
so
do.
Yes.
Are your products also for men? Because India mein to men, we hardly see them
Yeah,
using
honestly,
makeup.
man doing makeup is something which is
On themselves.
On themselves.
On others?
Yeah. On themselves is that's brilliant. Big stress buster for me.
Absolutely.
So you have to find वो एक दो आपको अपने grooves ढूंढने होते हैं.
Right.
कोई कुछ समझ नहीं आता है, go get a haircut.
So, what would be your tips to entrepreneurs who are probably starting something? Because I'm sure there are a lot of people. Thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you. Thank you.
you.